Welcome back, guys. I know you'll be impressed by my dress. This is actually the Independence Day of Pakistan. And guys, today I got a new toy. I've been waiting for a very long time. It's an Inventor Kit. There'll be also a series. Oh, look what things it has. One power, one Bluetooth, one funny touch, one gyro sensor, one buzzer, and one gyro. And one LED panel that can make lights, and one servo. And these are some things you can do with it. You can it's meet and plug. So look, plug and play, meet, build, and code. You can even code it. And there's also advanced challenges. We'll do that step by step. And these are some stuff you can make. But there's also lots other. And you have to download the app to make these. Oh, look how much things you can make. You can make a TND, a Jovi CD, a wagging tail, a guitar. I love guitar. Let's open it. Now, these are some more stuff. Look, there's Bluetooth, and there's a servo driver, there's the power switch, and there's a buzzer, there's a LED panel, and this is the gyro sensor, and that's a funny touch. Let's open it, the whole thing. Look how much materials it has. Let's open it. It has 8 materials that are electronic use. This is a power. It says the name and everything, except this is a LED panel. This is a buzzer. And this is a sensor, mainly a gyro sensor. This is a funny touch. You can add some wires over here. This is a servo driver. This is the servo driver's servo where you connect it, and there's other parts down. And this is a Bluetooth. You charge the Bluetooth, and plus you have to charge the power switch. Should I show you how the materials work? Look, this is a buzzer. Look, it works. And now I think you have to add the gyro sensor. Plus the gyro sensor added with this, it's kind of like a remote. Look, it's like a game. And if you add the buzzer, it is quite fun. And now I'll go up next. So here's a manual. This is the manual of the kit. So this shows you how to work everything. So this is the list. These are all the stuff you have. Easy connections. So, and then next it shows you how to use and plug them in. And today we'll make a CD. I'll open it. Let's open it. Okay. So first, the things that you'll need from here, you'll need one of on-off power switch, obviously. You attach the gyro on the right side, and on the left, you put the buzzer. And now look, if I put this over here, and then I think now let me get some other materials. There are lots of materials in here. So this is how you make the base. You get these 3 materials, and I think you'll need one more 4. And then you'll have a bag like this, and it has these connectings. You connect it together, just like this. So see these mini parts? You would need 4, okay, 4. I got 3, 4. Let me connect it. So first, first you put this one in the 4 ones, and then connect this one to it, and then you put it down in the 2 ones and connect this to it. Other 2, you connect this, and then you'll get one of this. Put this over there, and you have your base. Now all you gotta do is put this on the base like that, and then see, now look, it works. Higher, lower, higher, lower.